In the next video, you'll learn how to install your new ULTRALOQ lever. Please read the important notes before installing it. This is what is included in the box. For this step, you need to measure 4 parts of your door, which are: thickness. Confirm that your door is between 1 5/16 and 2 inches. The diameter of the hole. This one should be 2 1/8 inches. The back set has to be either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. And the last one. Confirm that the diameter of the hole in the door edge is 1 inch. Now, please install the latch and the strike. You can adjust the latch length depending on the thickness of your door. Then, secure it to the door using screws A. After that, install the strike on the door frame using screws A, ensuring that the latch matches the hole on the strike. To install the exterior assembly, first, the handle should point away from the door's edge. You can change its direction by rotating it. Then make sure the triangle is facing upwards as highlighted. Align the spindle with the slot in the latch and route the cable through the hole above the latch. To install the mounting plate, place it on the correct position and secure it using screws B. To install the interior assembly, orient the handle like the outside one. Then attach the connector on the interior assembly. Press it firmly until the connector is plugged. Align the spindle and insert it in the hole of the interior assembly. Secure the interior assembly using screw C. Insert 3 AA batteries, then install the battery cover. To unlock ULTRALOQ lever, just activate the screen. Input a code and press the Enter button. Then turn the handle down to open it. You can also use a fingerprint to unlock it. To unlock ULTRALOQ lever with the backup keys, insert the key in the backup keyhole. Then turn it as a regular lock and turn the handle down to open it. You are all set. To learn more about this lock, visit utech.com.